Hello there, welcome to this video. Today we're going to be making Play-Doh.
Yep.
Salt, flour, cream of tartar, what is that? Food colouring and some boiling water. Should we get started?
Yep.
Should I boil some water? Bowl. Got our jug boiled. Now we need three cups of boiling water. You need to be careful, mate, this is very hot. Okay, just a little bit. Do you need some help? A little tiny bit. Just a tiny. Yep, that's enough. Yep. Okay, now I'm just going to put 4 tablespoons of oil in it. Cream of tartar, 1 tablespoon. You got it? Yep. Pour it in. Good girl. Give me that one. Now we need 1 cup of salt. A lot of salt. You can pour this one in, okay? Holy smokes, that's heaps.
Taste it.
Okay, go. Taste it.
Yummy.
Oopsie. This. There we go. Now Daddy will mix it in because it's going to be a bit hard to mix in. Yeah. You don't have massive forearms like I do. Yeah, that's why you're on the pouring duty. That's good, that's good, that's good. No! Okay, we've mixed all the flour in. Now we've just got to let it cool. So I might just quickly chuck it in the fridge for maybe 10 minutes.
No.
Okay. Still a little bit warm, but we can probably play with it.
Can I play with that?
Take it into your playroom?
Yep.
Yep. Let's go.
Come on. Come on, Daddy. Daddy.
Thanks for joining us. Make sure to tune in next time when we make something else. See you next time. See ya.
Here, Mama.
What?
Here.
See you when?
Tomorrow.
Oh. Yeah. Delicious. Pink flavour is my favourite.
No, I'm not favorite.
Oh.